Kaveri Group of Hospitals, Kaveri Hospital Radial Road, we welcome you, sir. Dr. P.M. Gopinath, Director, Reproductive Chandra, and Dr. Nithya P.J., who have years of expertise helping couples achieve their dream of parenthood. I extend my warm welcome to all of you who are gathered here one more time. Can we please give a big...
It's my honor to welcome the Honorary Member of Parliament for Chennai South, Dr. Tamilachi Thangapandian. As we've all heard, she is a noted Tamil poet at the University for over 27 years. And he is keen on fertility preservation for young cancer patients. That's possibly special work that he did. Dr. Chandra Kumar, we all fondly call him Dr. CK, an anesthetist from Trichy who dared to dream big and create an organization that today has established states in 6 different locations with 12 hospitals and still counting. We are really fortunate, sir, to have you by our side.
And Executive Chairman of Kaveri Hospitals is a qualified anesthesiologist who founded the Kaveri Hospitals with a vision to make affordable healthcare a reality in rural and urban areas.
It was a session what is needed for us also. When we moved into the administration, I was thinking you should do a YouTube channel to give awareness for the public in a simple term. A lot of confusions and myths are there. It's quite informative. We will talk it offline. Madam Honorable Member of Parliament, Tamilachi Thangapandian, for sparing her time. You know, this is a very, very hectic time when the elections are nearing to the country, and you gave your time. Thank you very much, ma'am. Dr. Anil.
Can you all please give a big round of applause as our colleagues celebrities and the speech launch.
Dr. Gopinath, Director, Reproductive Medicine, Kaveri Hospital. Dr. Anil, Medical Director. Dr. Chandrasekhar, Chairman. And the wonderful team of Dr. Ramya Praveen Chandra, Dr. Nithya, Dr. Rajalakshmi, and Dr. Murachi Mandra தலைவர் Thambi Tirugiri, fellow doctors who are a part of the office bearers, everyone. நான் படிச்சதுலே எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடித்தமான எமர்சன் ஒரு ஆரோக்கியமான குழந்தையை உருவாக்குவதன் மூலமும் அழகான ஒரு சிறிய தோட்டத்தை பராமரிப்பதன் மூலமும் சமுதாயத்தில் மிகவும் பின்தங்கிய வகுப்பினருக்கு இலவசமாக கல்வி கற்பிப்பதன் மூலமும் நீங்கள் இந்த உலகத்தை முன்பு இருந்ததை விட மென்மேலும் அழகானதாக ஆக்கிவிடுகிறீர்கள். How beautifully Kaveri Hospital has made this particular place today as the most beautiful place in Chennai by inaugurating a wonderful Mount Kaveri Center, especially for fertility, which is not actually connected only with female but also connected with male. Thank you, Dr. Gopinath, for such a enlightening introduction about this center. And before going to his remarks, I'd like to congratulate the Kaveri Hospitals. As has been rightly pointed out by Dr. C.K., you're very young still, but the steps are not baby steps, I think. You have taken up a giant leap, I believe, constructing so many other departments, not merely the cardiologist and the other sections. I believe, how many floors don't விரிவுபடுத்திக் கொள்வதிலும் பல்வேறு தளங்களில் ஈடுபட்டு மக்களுக்கு சேவை செய்வதும் இயல்பான ஒன்றுதான். எந்த மருத்துவமனையும் புதிதாக தொடங்கப்படும் பொழுது அடுத்த கட்ட நடவடிக்கைகளை அவ்வாறே மேற்கொள்வது சகஜம், வழமையான ஒன்றுதான். ஆனால் மிக குறிப்பாக மா காவேரி என்கின்ற குழந்தை இல்லாத தம்பதியருக்கு குழந்தை தருகின்ற அந்த சிகிச்சையை அது மேற்கொள்ளும் பொழுது அந்த தொடக்க விழாவிற்கு என்னை அழைத்தது என்பது எனக்கு கூடுதல் மகிழ்வு.